My first recommendation are for some foods that you should avoid. Things like white sugar, red meats, trans fats. These all increase inflammation in your body and it's going to make your joint pain worse. So we want to focus on foods that are going to decrease that inflammatory process. So I brought along with me today some spices like turmeric, we have ginger, we have chili. These can be put into soups and salads. Get creative with your cooking. Red beets, onions, asparagus. These are really great at helping to decrease inflammation, helping to protect the collagen in our joints. That's really important at helping to decrease joint pain, is to save that collagen and to save the cartilage in our joints. Now this is my favorite food for joint pain and inflammation. Omega-3, be it coming from wild caught salmon, maybe it's coming from walnuts. And if you're not someone that is into having fish on a regular basis, you can get it in a supplement form. Omega-3 is really fantastic at helping to decrease inflammation in your body. Now, when we're talking about some supplements for joint pain and for joint health, glucosamine is probably the first thing that comes to mind. Glucosamine contains the building blocks of cartilage. And we know cartilage, as we're aging, that starts to break apart, and that is causing our joint pain and inflammation. So glucosamine is key. Along with that is chondroitin. And chondroitin, like glucosamine, helps to rebuild the cartilage, but it also attracts water and attracts fluids, so it helps to lubricate the joint. There's a lot of products that will contain glucosamine and chondroitin that also contain some anti-inflammatory extracts like boswellia and like turmeric. Now, I talked about turmeric already as a spice. Turmeric as a supplement can be really fantastic at decreasing inflammation. To me, this is one of the best ones out there because it can help to decrease the use of NSAIDs. So those anti-inflammatory medications, which when used in higher amounts over long term, can cause severe stomach problems and problems with your liver. So all of these things that I've brought along today, they can affect your diet. You can get creative with your cooking. It might be some simple supplements that you already have, or maybe some that you just learned about, can all help to improve joint health.